Our country, our government. Our country is a diverse country. Our country has the largest democracy in the world and has the largest number of voters in the world, and it is run by the people. Due to the vastness of the country and the many variations, it is inconvenient to administer the country from one place. Hence, the government works at various levels for good governance against such problems and inconvenience. In a democracy, the local government functions at the local level, the state government functions at the state level, and national government functions at the national level. The local level is related to the village or city, and the local government works with the village or city. The state level is related to the whole state, and the state government is in charge of the whole state. The national level government is related to the whole country, and the national government is in the whole country, handles the workload. Government is necessary at various levels. These levels are very useful for formation and implementation of rules. We have learned about government and its various levels of development and maintenance of law and order. Democratic system has been accepted in our country in the context of government in the world. On the basis of government and its formation, variations are seen in governance system. So, let us now learn about these different types of government. Let's look at the types of governments found in the various systems operating in the countries of the world. There are three main types of government in the world. 1. Democratic government. 2. Communist government. And 3. Monarchical government. Democratic government. Our country has a democratic system of governance. In this type of regime, people elect their representatives by voting in elections. The government is formed by the candidates who wins in the elections. In a democratic system of government, the government works with the people at the center. In our country, local, state, or national government is formed through elections. In some countries, the chief minister or prime minister is appointed by a democratically elected representative. In some countries of the world, democratic systems are found. Things to know. Presidential system of government is an important type of democracy. In a presidential democracy, the president is usually elected directly by the people. The president remains in power for the term fixed in the Constitution. The United States and some other countries in the world have such a democratic system of government. For a democratic government, it is said that the government is run by the people indirectly through direct voting. An alternative to democratic government for the protection and promotion of human rights is not possible. Thus, democratic government is very important for the overall development and rights of the people. In a democratic government, the people are the government. The government also works for the people. The term of an elected government in our country is usually 5 years. Apart from our country, various countries of the world like Pakistan, Bhutan, Tibet, Germany, Netherlands, USA, etc. have democratic governance. After learning about democracy, let us now learn about the second type of government, the communist government. Communist government. In this type of governance, special importance is given to equality. A government based on communism operates the system of government on the basis of equality and similarity. In many countries of the world like China, Vietnam, Cuba, Russia, etc., There are governments functioning on the basis of communist ideology. In some countries of the world, communist governments are formed through elections. There are many examples of some rulers forming a government based on communist ideology and becoming a one-handed ruler in the long run, like Hitler. This type of government should be governed only on the basis of economic, intellectual, or ideological equality or equality of workers, laborers, or governed people. Some of the rulers who ruled in a democratic, personal, or coercive manner today have moved away from communism to monarchy or one-man rule. The communist ideology in the world is known as the left ideology. Monarchical government. In this type of government, any one person governs, rules. In most monarchical systems, the ruler, that is the position of the king, is inherited. In this type of government, people do not have the right to choose their own leader. Today, monarchies are found in some Muslim countries of the world, such as Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Kazakhstan, Oman, Qatar, etc. Monarchical government is said to have a person-centered regime. Decisions made by one person are considered final here. The well-being, convenience, or arrangement of the ruler is given importance instead of the well-being of the people. Activity. Find out various systems of governance from the map with the help of your teacher. Collect the details of the rulers of different countries and produce the scroll number.